This is the Colgate Extra Clean 6-pack of toothbrushes, and look how nice they are. And another nice feature is they come in different colors, so you can tell which one is yours. Let me open it up so you can take a peek. And this is the green one, and look how nice it is. They recommend you change your toothbrush every 3 months. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of the toothbrush. It says the logo right here, and it also has a nice ergonomic grip. And the handle's very nice too, and this plastic is made of recycled material. And as you notice, the bristles, they're in a circular motion, and they also have different heights to it too. And that's perfect, so it gets in those in-between crevices of your teeth. And it can also even reach your back molars. So as you can see, it is raised at the tip. And very nice ergonomical handle design, very comfortable to use. And the back even has these bumps here so you can scrape it against your tongue to get rid of the odor-causing bacteria. This is a really nice set, and it's so nice that they give you 6 of them. You know, that's great to pass it around your family, but also great to have an extra one if you're traveling, or if you have a 2-level house, you can keep one in the downstairs bathroom and one in the upstairs bathroom. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.